In this video, we'll see some of the landmark judgments that have shaped the landscape of labor law, providing clarity, establishing rights and responsibilities, and setting precedents for future cases. But before we proceed further, please subscribe, Compliance Monk, and do like, comment, and share with others. In the Supreme Court of India case Mohan Singh and others versus the Chairman, Railway Board, and others, clarity was brought to the definition of an occupier under the Factories Act, 1948. The court held that a person who has ultimate control over the affairs of a factory is the occupier of the factory. Moreover, it was established that the occupier has a statutory responsibility to maintain a canteen if the staff strength exceeds 250. We have the Punjab and Haryana High Court case Calcutta Constructions Company vs RPFC and others from the same year. This case shed light on the responsibilities of a contractor under the Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provision Act, 1952. Once a contractor is allotted a code number under the Act, they are considered an establishment and are liable to pay EPF contributions for their employees. Next, we look at the Gujarat High Court case Bindeshwar Pathak vs State of Gujarat and another. This case clarified that the provisions of the Contract Labour Act, 1970 only apply when there is an employer-employee relationship. If such a relationship is missing, the establishment would not fall under the terms of the Act. Our fourth case, Nitin vs Ramesh and others, ruled by the Bombay High Court, established that both the contractor and principal employer are jointly and severally liable for compensation claims made by the dependents of a deceased workman. In the fifth case, Kesoram Industries Limited vs ESE Corporation and others, the Calcutta High Court ruled that any remuneration received out of a contract or as an ad hoc payment for work done outside the contract is part of wages subject to ESI contribution. This includes allowances like the milk allowance. The sixth case, Ranbir Singh and another versus Ganga Hospital, ruled by the Delhi High Court, clarified that workers of contractors holding a license under the Contractors Labour Act do not become employees of the principal employer even if they are working at the premises of and for the principal employer. Lastly, we visit the Allahabad High Court case Shobha Goswani vs State of UP and others. This case brought about a significant change in the composition of the Internal Complaints Committee. It ruled that out of 4 members, 3 must be women and 1 from an NGO, an independent member altogether. These landmark judgments have shaped the landscape of labor law, providing clarity, establishing rights and responsibilities, and setting precedents for future cases. They serve as a testament to the ever-evolving nature of the field, highlighting the importance of staying informed and updated.